just wanted to run through, and we're going to be planing some boards for the greenhouse today, which is pretty exciting because we'll get that greenhouse up hopefully some point this winter, so we get those veggies going for the spring. So we got some boards here that we're going to plane. We're going to do some pretty much like, let's see, probably 5 boards, because just to make them, clean them up, make them look nice, but more just yeah, just get them ready to put out for the greenhouse, get some structure for the plastic to attach to. So yeah, we'll see. Got the Ryobi 10-inch planer right here. I've only actually used this once before, but thing worked pretty awesome. I just opened up the door to give us some space because these boards are pretty long and they're probably going to shoot out the door a little bit, and gives us a little bit more extra light in here. Okay, so the first board we're going to run through here is 1 inch thick. So you can see right here, this is the thickness of what you're going to be planing. So basically, I'm going to crank that up to, it's about a little under 1 inch because we're taking material off. That's the whole point with this here. So we'll get that set. This baby, that's looking really good. They got a little bit of uncut section right here. Try to clean that. Yeah, I'll try to clean that up. So we'll bust this through again here. Okay, so there we go. This thing looks real nice all the way over. I think, yeah, I don't know, a couple blemishes, but man, does that just clean it up real nicely. This is a piece of maple. Babies were harvested from the back over here a long time ago. Nice pieces of maple. And they're rough sawn, dried up here in the barn. I think they were cut by my grandfather. Yeah, and I just planed them up, and man, look at this thing. I'm gonna show this to my dad, and he's probably not gonna want me to use this for the greenhouse. Too nice. We'll see. We got a lot of it. Alright, this is definitely the best board. Has to be. I left the sawdust on for dramatic effect here. Woo, look at that. Look at that, baby. Oh my gosh. I have to say, planing these maple boards is quite satisfying. Now, yeah, this side is just absolutely beautiful. Like, it's awesome. Yeah, they're coming out super good. They are getting very thin because I'm having to take off a lot of material because they were so roughly sawn. But yeah, so far, this Ryobi 10-inch surface planer, this thing's legit for sure. Like, it's different. All right, time to stain up those boards we planed yesterday. And yeah, I think these are gonna come out awesomely. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's coming out pretty awesome. I am just kind of going for it. I mean, this is just for the greenhouse, so I don't really care, but we'll see what it looks like. And sure, it will look awesome. This is a dark, what is this? Red oak stain. Well, and there we go. We've got our first coat of the stain on there, and it's looking awesome. Let's just do a compare and contrast from, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, look at that. That's the original. Like, I still got maple on there. It's not, I did kind of a rough job planing these because I didn't want to take too much material off some of these boards, and this one is a little wonky, so we didn't go too far with it in the machine. Well, that looks awesome. Alright, got the boards all stained up, and they're looking pretty awesome right now, I must say. Check these babies out. So, we got 5 boards. That's probably what we'll need there, so it should work out. Yeah, for the greenhouse, and they're coming out awesome. Yeah, my dad let me use almost all of them. There's a couple of real nice ones that he's gonna save for something else, but I really like how these, like, the uneven ones where the rough sawn is still showing actually looks super cool. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like when we get it on the greenhouse, which should be awesome. Cool.